Okay, we're back. So I got a little gadget here. You know, on some cars, how when you, let's see, press lock, unlock, and lock on your key, it rolls down your windows. My car doesn't do that. But after this, it will. Like I said earlier, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. All criticism is welcomed. I do these videos every now and then when I decide to do something to my car, so this is one of those times. So yes, I bought a little module off of eBay. I saw one of the guys I follow on my Instagram page, he had it, and I'm like, dude, I've been looking for that for so long. I ordered one. After a couple weeks it's here. I'll post a link in the description below. So what do we have here? All of this in the main module here. Basically it says it's plug and play, so let's open up the door and see what we got. So I have the module here is going to connect to the door, and then the door OEM cable is going to connect in here, and then the same with these right here. One is going to connect into the cables, and then that is going to connect into the door piece itself. So I also found out that not only does it do the windows, roll down and roll up when the car's off, it also makes all of my windows automatic up and down. And I didn't have that on my car before because normally it was just my driver's side, but now it's all four windows. Check it out. So the automatic windows only work from the driver's side controls, but I'm not tripping, and I'm pretty excited to have that little feature installed in my car because it's just convenient. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in, and have a blessed day. Yeah, automatic roll blah, blah, blah.